Hello, hello, hello. My name is Shancy and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. I hope you're here to stay. And if you're here again, well, thank you for joining the Shancy family. I love having you here. Today's video is a quick 5-minute makeup look. So this look works if you're just really pressed for time in the morning and you need to leave and look presentable, or if you just finished a workout and you have to get ready quickly and go back to work or something. I wasn't going to time myself, but I should, because I like to blah 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 and then it doesn't actually end up being a 5-minute look. So I've never done this before. I'm kind of nervous. Okay, so I've got my timer on for 5 minutes and ooh, I'm nervous. I don't have all my products out. Okay, wait, let me get my products out first. So I'm gonna moisturize first. Actually, I'm gonna ditch this, save some time. So face cream. I'm gonna mix some Lumi Glow with a little bit of foundation. That should do it. Okay, I should make this like a 5-step thing. Ooh, this is really good mascara from CoverGirl. So it's CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. What else is necessary? Bronzer. Bronzer. Okay, so I have face cream, foundation with some glow, bronzer, mascara, blush. I'm like really hesitating. Okay, blush, liquid blush. And then for lips, I'm gonna do this Burt's Bees matte lip crayon in Hawaiian Smolder. It's a beautiful color. And then I'll just get some lip gloss too, just in case. So this is JOUVIANCE PlumpFX, and this was their like special edition color for the holidays, but the clear one is also beautiful. Okay, so maybe this is cheating because I have everything laid out here, but I want to succeed. So essentially, let's pretend that these are the little products that I had in my like kit for the gym or like my purse or whatever. So it's not too much, it's very doable. And the moisturizer is probably something you can scrape if you don't have it or if you don't travel with it. I just don't have any right now, so my skin is like too dry. Okay, blah blah blah. Oh, brows. Cleared brow gel. Just have to make sure I've got everything. Okay, so I have cream, brow gel. No, I'm gonna put it in order. Cream, Glotion foundation. Then I'm going to go with bronzer. I don't need concealer. It's a quick look. Then we're going to do mascara, brows, and then I'll just finish with a little bit of blush and lip gloss. All right? So I probably won't talk, just to like, you know, get down to business. Okay, so okay, 5-minute timer. And oh my god, and go. Things fall apart, nothing breaks like a home. Nothing breaks like home. Oh, 4:32. I think I might make this work. We both know it. 3:59. I had a little heart attack there. I thought I wasn't recording. Okay, oh, bronzer time. 3:30. Ooh. And nothing Save us now. In the dark, things fall apart. Nothing breaks like a heart. Ooh, nothing breaks like a heart. We will know. Okay, what time is it? 2:45. Ooh. Literally, this is like, I need 5 minutes. Perfect. For mommies. Okay, 2:24. Now this is the CoverGirl mascara. And since this is the last product, I will take my time because mascara seems to be the thing that takes the longest. Oh my god, what time is it? 1:43. What a great mascara. Looky who's got 1 minute and 12 seconds to spare. 4-minute look. Yes! And I feel like I look pretty clean, don't you think? I have enough time to clean up. Motherfucker. All the time in the world. 40 seconds left, and I have time to clean. This is amazing. I did this look in 4 minutes. I'm so proud of myself. So I think I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna try a 4-minute makeup look and then go down, down, down. I mean, granted, I didn't put too many products on, but it's all you need to look kind of polished. Oh, I'm so excited. This is good. Hello, 12 seconds. There you go, guys. We did it. A look under 5 minutes, literally under 5 minutes. Plus I had time to put everything away. I am so happy. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys liked this video. Let me know if there's any products that you would like swap out, or if you would probably use the same set of products. And let me know if you have any like deal breaker products. Like some people might love their concealer and it's just like it has to be done. I mean, granted, I have good skin, so I can probably get away with doing a lot quicker makeup because I don't have to like hide any blemishes or anything like that. So yeah, let me know. Let's have a chat down in the comments. And again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can watch more videos down here. Look for the one where I prepare these hairstyles after a workout. Bye guys, we'll see you in the next video.